Robots are taking over and there is nothing you can do about it. That doesn't mean to sit down and cry about it. That means take control of it and profit off of it. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best AI programs to use as a content creator. So the first one is obviously going to be ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and get it out the way. For anyone who doesn't know what ChatGPT is, it's an artificial intelligence program created by OpenAI that allows you to write prompts and commands, and it'll spit back out an educated response. So for example, as a content creator, you could ask it to give you a list of video ideas, write short scripts, or even analyze your data for you and give you suggestions on what to do next to reach your audience better. Next on the list is Midjourney. It is another AI tool that allows you to insert prompts, but this one gives you 4 high-quality pictures. So a couple of examples of things you can use this one for: thumbnails, banners, even profile pictures. I'm not a fan of the idea of faceless YouTube channels because I think it doesn't connect as much with the audience, but it does work right now and Midjourney can help a lot with it. You can also use it for logos and cover art if you're a musician like me. Photoshop Generative Fill. Generative Fill is a new addition to Photoshop that allows you to generate aspects of photos out of thin air. So let's say you have an image that is too small or compact and you want to reverse crop it. You can uncrop it by stretching the crop tool outward and pressing generate. You can also use the lasso tool to select a small area of the photo and type in whatever you can imagine adding into the image. CapCut captions is something I use on almost every single video now. I use them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube videos and shorts. Sometimes, even if I don't edit the video in CapCut completely, I usually still import the fully edited video into CapCut and use the caption tool to write the captions out for me. I've been working in video editing for a super long time, and back when I started, I would make lyric videos or type out captions, and they would take forever. That alone can easily add 45 minutes to an hour of work. Now, I can do the same exact thing in seconds. I couldn't make this list without mentioning this one. It will save you an insane amount of time. Premiere Pro's Essential Sound feature is going to be a godsend to some of you. A lot of you aren't in audio engineering and don't have any audio editing software. All you have to do is import your audio. There are a bunch of presets that will make your audio sound like whatever you want. There's a podcast setting, one that makes your voice sound close up, one that makes it sound far, and more. I still recommend that you do get some knowledge on audio editing because it's great to have complete control of your sound and know how to fix what you need to fix. But Essential Sound is definitely a great tool to use when you are trying to get decent sounding audio quickly. ElevenLabs is probably one of the most useful but scariest AI tools available to the public. Basically, you can use realistic AI voices to read your scripts for you and use them for voiceovers for your YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. So if you want to go the faceless channel route, this can help you out a lot. You can also clone other voices, but I don't recommend using it for bad reasons because you could definitely get in a lot of unnecessary trouble for it if you're using voices without the right permissions. Nonetheless, ElevenLabs can be a great tool if used creatively and appropriately. I'm actually using ElevenLabs right now for this section of the video. Could you tell? Artificial intelligence is getting absolutely insane, but there's going to be a huge shift in the way things work. With every revolution, there are people who accept change and get on board, and there are people who refuse it and get left behind. Hopefully you're the former. And speaking of artificial intelligence, click one of the videos on the screen that YouTube's AI thinks you'll like and see if they're right. I hope this video helped you a lot, and if it did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more and click the bell icon to get notified the next time I release a new video. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next or learn more about. I'm Mikey from Mikey Tech Talk, and I'm super excited to see what you do with the info.